Okay, everyone good morning. Now let us start exercise 15B, and we are on which question? Can you please tell me? Yes, 15B, question number 6. Good. Till we 5 completed, or anyone has any problem? किसी को कोई दिक्कत है तो प्लीज पूछ सकता है फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 15A एंड 15B एनी मतलब किसी भी एक्सरसाइज में इधर इन द एक्सरसाइज 15A और 15B anyone has any problem please ask or now I am going to start the question number 6. Question number 6, in figure given alongside find angle ACD and AED. Now see, this is the figure here. This is 25 degree and this is A. This is B, 45 degree. This is 40 degree and this is C and this is D and this point is E. Everyone please check the figure in your book, and now we have to find angle ACD, comma angle AED. So this is basically the angle ACD. Everyone see the solution carefully. Angle ACD is equal to angle CAB plus angle ABC. Exterior ex, exterior angle property. Clear? So angle ACD is equal to, now you see, now you can see CAB. This is 25 degree, and then ABC, it is 45 degree. So it is 25 degree plus 45 degree, which is equal to 70 degree. So angle ACD is 70 degree. Now this is 70 degree. Next we have to find AED. So angle AED. Everyone can see angle AED is the exterior angle or not. If it is exterior angle, so we can write angle AED is equal to angle ECD plus angle EDC. This is the exterior angle and this is the two interior angle. So this is ECD and EDC, and you all know that the value ECD is 70 degree and angle EDC is 40 degree. So the total is 110 degree. So 110 is the answer and second answer is 70. Is it be clear or visible to everyone? Okay, okay, okay. Now please copy it fast. Please mute the please mute your audio if there is any kind of noise. You have to check. If there is any kind of noise, you can mute your audio, please. Now, Akriti, how many students in class? Okay. Uh, you have to send me the attendance today for maths online class only. Now the question number read the question number 7. Read क्या करना है वही है ठीक है question number 7. Question number 7, everyone see question number 7. The figure is like this, and here is the line. This is 50 degree, this is 100 degree, sorry, this is 100 degree, this is 40 degree. So this is E, A, B, C, and this is D. And in this we have to find angle ACD, angle ADC, and third angle DAE. Okay, and if anyone has any doubt, please check the figure in your book. Now ACD, A, C, and D. This. Okay. So for ACD, first we have to find angle BAC. So in triangle, okay, yes. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle A plus 40 degree plus 100 degree. Hundred degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree, which is equal to 40 degree. Now, first, angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. We just find here angle BAC. This is 40 degree. So 40 plus 40, it is 80 degree. Now this is 80 degree. Now second we have to find ADC. ADC, this angle. So use the angle sum property again in triangle ACD, angle A plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Here the angle A is 50 degree, angle C is 80 degree, angle D find karna hai, and now the sum this. So angle D is equal to 180 degree minus 80 plus this is 130. So it will be angle D is equal to 50 degree. This is the second solution now. Now we have to find the DAE. Angle DAE, this one. So you can use the exterior angle property. Angle DAE is equal to, see, this is the exterior angle, the interior, two interior opposite angle are angle ACD plus angle ADC, which is equal to 80 plus 50 degree, which is equal to 130 degree. This is the complete solution, and you have to write the reason for this also. Exterior angle property. Yes, please everyone copy it. And now the question number 8, mark as homework. Question number 8, mark as homework. Question number 8 is your homework. Question number 8 from exercise 15B. Copied everyone? सबका कॉपी हो गया? Good. Now everyone open the next 15C. Okay, good. So now everyone open the exercise 15C. Now everyone open the exercise 15C. Before starting the exercise, I will tell you something. Everyone must write. Triangle inequality. Triangles inequality means in any triangle, suppose it is a triangle ABC, in any triangle, sum of sum of the length of two sides are always greater than third side. Is that clear? Sum of the length of two sides are always greater than the third side. Means AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC. AC plus BC is greater than AB. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, if this is not happen, then the construction of triangle is not possible. Then the construction of triangle is not possible. Clear everyone? किसी भी कंडीशन में if this is not possible, then the construction of triangle is not possible. Now everyone start exercise 15C. Question number 1. 15C, question number 1. Read the question, Ankita. Ankita is there in class? Okay, you can read the question, please. In question number 1, yes, in question number 1, the sides are 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter. And we have to check with every side. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and it is greater than 1. और सारे 1 है तो दोबारा 1 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now you can see here construction of triangle is possible. Construction of triangle is possible. Now see the second question. Second question is 2, 3, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is greater than 4. Yes? 3 plus, sorry, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 is greater than 3. Now the 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 is greater than 5 कहाँ से आए यार? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 is greater than 3. And now 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. It's greater than 2. Now, Ankita, जो भी है क्या नाम है किसी का भी कोई भी बोलो एक आंसर बताओ. Now the triangle of construction of triangle is possible or not? हाँ ना. Why it is possible? कैसे possible हुआ? What is the reason for this? Yes, 7 is great. All the three means you have to say like that. Ki, how is it be possible? The construction of triangle is possible. How? So you have to say this. Ki the sum of two sides, the sum of the length of two sides is always greater than the third side. Then the construction of triangle is possible. So this is the solution, and you have to do with every sides like this. ये नहीं कि एक कर दिया हो गया. You have to do with every. Now 2 3 2 3 हुआ, फिर 2 4 हुआ, फिर 3 4 हुआ. You have to check with all three sides. Clear? So now the question number rest part. Question number 1, part 3. Whatever the rest part, you can do your own. Rest you can do your own. Now, Anna, read the second question, please. Question number 2. हम्म तो थर्ड साइड किसके बीच में हो सकते? व्हाट इज द पॉसिबल लेंथ ऑफ द थर्ड साइड? व्हाट इज द पॉसिबल लेंथ? नाउ, अब एक ट्राइंगल है, उसमें एक साइड 5 है, एक साइड 9 है, एंड दिस इज x. So what? So the question is, what is the possible length length of third side? What is the possible length of third side? So we have to add first and then subtract first. 9 plus 5 is equal to what? 14, and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So third side, प्लीज जिसका इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है वो बोले नहीं, मेरे आवाज आती है अजीब सी. थर्ड साइड मस्ट lie between 4 and 14. Is that clear? What is the possible length of third side? So the maximum, what, अगर 14 से ज्यादा हो जाए या 14 हो जाए तो क्या होगा? तो triangle, the construction of triangle is not possible. So that is why the sum is 14. So it means that it lies between. Between का मतलब होता है बीच में, इन numbers को छोड़ के. Except these numbers means the number lies between. मतलब 5, yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These all numbers may be possible. Sorry. Clear with everyone or not? किसी को कुछ नहीं समझ में आया? Please ask. The third side must lie between 4 and 14, and these are the possibilities: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And except these numbers, between means except these numbers and the number in between the numbers. No, it's not possible. ऐसे कैसे पता चलेगा? ऐसे पता नहीं चल सकता. Because triangle construction is possible when the three side is given, और कोई at least anything, any information like कि यहाँ 60 degree है या some angles are given, then we are able to find the third side. But but there is not accurate method to find. If only the two side is given, then we are not able to find the third side. We are we will find the possibility of the third side. कि थर्ड साइड क्या हो सकता है. इट मे बी, इट्स नॉट श्योर, इट मे बी कि इट इज फ्रॉम 5 to 13. 5 हो सकता है, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13 हो सकता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रॉपर्टी, triangles inequality, we are able to know the possibility, but we are not sure about the third side. Clear? Good. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is a fill in the blanks. You all can do your own. होमवर्क का मतलब यह है कि यू हैव टू ट्राई, और इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू विल आस्क टुमारो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, रीड द सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 प्लीज, एंड आना रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 प्लीज. अच्छा, तो तुम मुझे बताओ कि व्हाट इज मीडियन. मीडियन, व्हाट इज मीडियन? मीडियन क्या होता है? यू नो व्हाट इज मीडियन? नहीं मालूम नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, बता सकते हो, और अगर मालूम है तो बताओ, नहीं है तो इट्स ओके, यू जस्ट से कि नहीं मालूम सर, नो प्रॉब्लम। नो नो नॉट इट इज नॉट अ मीडियन, मीडियन वो स्टैटिस्टिक वाला नहीं है, ट्राइंगल का मीडियन है। सो सी हियर इट इज अ ट्राइंगल A, B and C, and now AM is a median of